Good morning and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year! Yes, Happy New Year from Marcus on Instagram. The first video, the first month of the new year. Let's get it. Amazing, ain't it? Today's video is a mad one. How about mad one? Yeah. Today's video is titled 10 tips for 2021. Now, before you click out of this video, don't go anywhere, man. So, firstly, how did this video come about? Because 2020 was quite a year for everybody, and it was the best year for some, the perfect year for some, but still not a very good year for most. And I for one understand that point of view. So I'm going to be giving you 10 tips. Not basically tips, but what about it? The 10 baby steps to the life that you desire in 2021. Yeah. My first just for you to be clear about something. These tips are not all original. Because I don't really know that much to be getting that deep on you, so they are not all original. Some are from legends, some are from the bosses, people who have made it in life, so I got my tips from them as well. I hope you enjoy it. These tips can be gotten from my Instagram, and they are from my Instagram I'm getting it from. So you see, yeah, from my Instagram. So go follow up, man. Go follow up real quick. So let's get into it. Boom. The top 10 tips for 2021. Number 1. The next time you look in the mirror, say something positive about yourself. Now, this tip was inspired by Sean Covey. Yeah, the son of Stephen R. Covey. Yes, you got it. You are a smart person. Yeah, so basically, this step builds your confidence, it builds your morale, it builds your doggedness. You understand? Yeah, it builds you a lot. So, here again, the next time you look in the mirror, say something positive about yourself. You get me? Yeah. Go on to step 2. Think about what matters most to you. So we tend to go through this life and through the world basically thinking about if negative, how I put it. So for myself, I go to a school, a college basically, and when I have a thought or an idea in my mind, before I put my hands up, what comes to my mind first? It's not won't my parents' money be worth the question. What comes to my mind though is, if I stand up, will it make sense? You get it? So I want you to have a mind shift from that setup to think about what matters most to you. Step 3, I'm making it quick so you can get this. You put it in your life, you get going. 1, 2, 3, go. Ain't no stopping you this year, man. I'm gonna push you, man. Yeah. So step 3, show appreciation for someone's point of view today. The mad one, man. The mad one. So I believe this is based on constructive criticism. Yeah. We have some type of critics that don't criticize for no good reason. For no good reason. But we also have some that actually mean some things. Yeah, I think my first video, yeah, I really had bad video quality, and I'm not hearing at the best. I'm still growing, but I really had bad video quality then, really bad. If you watched it, you're a G. And so basically, and a very good a person I look up to was one tricks. You have a very bad video quality. I have to work on it, you understand? Yeah. So now step 4, guard and cherish your thoughts. Permit me to quote from the Holy Book. the battle of life is won and lost in the mind. The mind. So guard and cherish your thoughts. It's cool, it's cool. So like guard and cherish your thoughts, man. Don't allow anybody to speak evil or nonsense to you, man. Like you say, no, thank you, no, get me, no. Baby step 5. Do unto others as you want them to do unto you. That's the deep one, aka law of karma. So I don't mean to be I don't know I'm like this. So basically what this means is like law of karma. You get it's like saying as you want me to do you, may you do unto others. You understand? So like how you want people to do to you, like now be merciful to someone. If you want others to be merciful unto you, according to the holy book in the Lord's Prayer, forgive us our trespasses, even as we forgive those who trespass against us. That's basically where this thing comes from. So those do unto others as you want them to do to you. Be kind to someone, hug someone, coronavirus, okay, like be kind to somebody, do that kind of thing so you can get it back. Just like investment, basically, an investment. Baby step 6. It's a deep one, man, very deep one. Think of a limiting idea you have of yourself now and do something today that actually contradicts that paradigm. Yes, so I'm telling one. I didn't think I would shoot this video today. Yeah, I was contemplating that should I just leave it to tomorrow, yeah, I was let me not shoot anyway, let me not shoot the video anyway. Shoot it, you catch it, you enjoy it, you take it, you Google, you got that, yourself. So now, step 7, all from my Instagram. Listen carefully to the lyrics of the music you listen to most frequently. Evaluate if they are in harmony with the principles you believe in. So I'm not trying to call anybody out on this one though, bro, but like for me as a person, I don't know if anybody here knows Naira Marley Tingasa. So early last year, I really found the song like really nice. Then I calmed down. I like not hear the chorus. I cannot even say the chorus. The chorus it's not what to be said, man. Like for me as a person, it's not what to be said. So just for you, what you listen to, just try and evaluate if it's in line with your principles. Like don't just say them. Just try to calm down. Reason I say, that's the vibe, man. That's the vibe. Then next tip: live your life based on principles and not based on feelings. Oof. This one cannot be over exaggerated or over emphasized. Let me explain to you real quick. So let's say somebody pushes you now. Randomly just pushes you. That moment, how do you feel? Like for me as a person, it's like how I feel. It's like Mark come here teach just now. But based on principles and like, is it what it gets? So that principles really make you to take a chill pill and calm down here and to rethink something before you just do it. Because based on your feelings at that moment, what is your mind is Mark come here teach just now. Don't but based on your principles, you are like, what's up? You ask question. But based on your feelings are telling you to come on their teeth just now, not tomorrow, not next minute. Come on their teeth just now. Yeah, basically, yeah. So the next tip, step 9. When you do your chores at home or work tonight, try out the principle of work. Go the extra mile and do what is expected. Yeah, so for us that are working, for us that are in school, for us that are learning work or something, like instead of going and complain, like let's go the extra mile. If you're going to read from page 1 to 10, let's read from page 1 to 15. We are going to work from 9 a.m. to 3 a.m. Let's work from 9 a.m. to 3:30. Yeah, like just go the extra mile. Like I don't know, I don't say maybe go the extra kilometer. Never, sorry. Like just like try to push yourself to getting better, to push up, to mash up, to you are in this speed. Go fuck there, go fuck Joe. Okay. Now for the final one. This one is gotten from Pastor E.A. Adeboye. A great man, a really great man, general to be exact. And this one says, never choose to be average, because average is the locking down of the mind. Like I said previously, quoting the Holy Book, the battle of life is won and lost in the mind. What's wrong with me right now? Yeah, so basically, you can't say I never choose to be average, because being average, no, or you choosing to be average is the locking down of your mind. So like, no matter where you are, I'm not in that really place though. So like, no matter where you are, those you push up, like I don't say, to push up, to mash up, to getting better, to getting better. Boom! That's the wrap of today's video. If you enjoyed it, they're all on my Instagram page. Instagram. Yeah, basically, so if you enjoyed those tips, follow me over on Instagram and get them before they get to you on YouTube. You see the handle. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you all on the next one.